Welkom terug maatjies. Vandag gaan ons in Afrikaans die dae van die week leer. So sit mooi en luister baie mooi. Welcome back little ones. I hope you are having a good day. Today we're going to learn some Afrikaans. Dae van die week. That means in English days of the week. I hope you are going to listen very carefully so that you can learn the days of the week so quickly. So listen carefully. Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Vrydag, Saterdag, Sondag. Are you ready to learn the days of the week? So repeat each day of the week after me. Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Vrydag, Saterdag, Sondag. Now repeat after me. Maandag, Maandag, Dinsdag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Donderdag, Vrydag, Vrydag, Saterdag, Saterdag, Sondag, Sondag. Daar is 7 dae in 1 week. There are 7 days in 1 week. Daar is 4 weke in 1 maand. There are 4 weeks in 1 month. Well done everybody. Now you know your days of the week. Nou ken jy jou dae van die week. Let us answer a few questions. Maar kom ons kyk gou-gou of jy 'n paar vrae kan beantwoord oor die dae van die week. Are you ready? Now listen carefully. Watter dag is die tweede dag van die week? Which day is the second day of the week? Julle is reg, die antwoord is Dinsdag. Watter dag is die 5de dag van die week? Which day is the 5th day of the week? Ja, die antwoord is Vrydag. Op watter dag gaan jy kerk toe? On which day do you go to church? Ja, hier is nie 'n regte of 'n verkeerde antwoord nie. There is no wrong answer to this one, as we all have different religions. Watter dag van die week is jou gunsteling dag? Which day is your favorite day? Ja, ons het almal verskillende gunsteling dae. Noem die 2 dae wanneer dit naweek is. Name the 2 days that fall on the weekend. Ja, dit is Saterdag en Sondag. Well done guys, you did an amazing job today. Baie mooi, dit lyk my julle het baie mooi geleer vandag. Now you know the days of the week in Afrikaans as well. Ek is baie trots op julle almal. Julle het baie mooi gewerk. Ek hoop jy ken jou dae van die week nou. Thank you for participating. Baie dankie maats dat julle so mooi saamgewerk het. Please remember to share and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, tot volgende keer, totsiens.